Hello and welcome to Airport Madness 3D. This is a game that's just come out on Steam, and I thought I should play it. Let's get straight into it. There's four possible places where we can do our airporting things. There's Kingston in Jamaica, Toronto Island, Rocky Mountain, or LaGuardia. Let's go to Toronto Island, I reckon. So we can choose some runways for a traffic pattern. Let's go for these ones. Slightly cut off here, not very good, but never mind. We've got a continuous play, a steady flow of aeroplanes, unlimited crash. We've got building traffic. Traffic starts slowly but gradually. Time trial. How many aeroplanes can you move in 15 minutes? So might be a good idea. Move 100. Successfully move 100 aeroplanes at a heavy rate. Difficult. Let's go for something like building traffic, I reckon, or we could go for continuous. Let's go continuous play. I reckon that one's the best one to do. Oh, okay, we're in. We've got 3 runways. We've got 2 seem to be connected over there. We've got 15 and another number over there. We've got some nice diagrams down the bottom right. We've got some planes ready for departure. So we can choose a runway to go to. I reckon we should depart from 15, so we'll send that one to 15. It does look like we're in the tower here, which could be a problem, as this is some buildings, nice to see. Bit of scenery. Where are you going? 6, where's that? That one I'm guessing. Good, there's a plane coming. A lot of people leaving here. Not much is happening. Nice windsock there. This plane seems to be arriving now. We can tell it to go around, or slower or faster. Doesn't really matter. Let's just leave that to land and do something. Some smaller planes down here for some reason. Don't know if that's any use at all. Oh, we can zoom out. Okay. We've zoomed out. Doesn't help too much. Can we tell it to go to a different runway? Apparently not. Just all the same options. Fair enough. This one's taxiing to a gate. Fair enough. All of these are going to the same place. Let's let this one arrive and then we'll send this one out. You're going to 6. That's probably not very good. But we can't tell you. Oh, we can. Let's make you land at... Oh, keep it 6, actually. It's probably the better one. Let's tell it to go a bit slower, though. You can take off. Let's take off this one. I've had a bit of... a go at this game, but I'm not all the way there. We've got another plane coming. Oh, we seem to have some sort of tweet here. Give those air traffic controllers a pat on the back. Job well done. We haven't really done much, but we'll accept that. Runway 15, we'll probably want it to go to 6. Let's change it so it goes to 6. This one, that plane's nowhere near yet. We can still take off. How's that one doing? That one's climbing out. That's good. We do have unlimited crashes on this, which is good. So, if we do happen to crash a plane... Oh, we can zoom in quite far. Anyway, if we do manage to crash a plane, we do know we can have unlimited of them. Those planes are very close to each other over there. Another plane taking off. You're about to land. That's not bad. You're ready. Let's tell you to go to the next runway then. Get ready for departure. Let's tell that one to go a bit slower possibly, and then take this one off, because that one's just arriving there. That's not too bad. We're getting there. You're taxiing. That's not bad. That one's going off. Oh, there's another plane there. That one's going to 8. We want that to change to 6, so it goes around the same pattern. Let's tell that one to go a bit slower as well. We might be able to get this one off as well before that one lands. This one's loading, apparently. So it's probably playing Flight Simulator. So it's ready now. Ready. It has loaded. Good. 15. That's where we were sending our planes to. You're departing. Good. We're not too bad here. We've got a stressometer in the bottom right, which suggests we are not stressed at all. Oh, local news has said local air traffic controller was fired for not moving aeroplanes quickly enough. Well, thankfully that's not us, as we seem to be not. Well, there doesn't seem to be anyone else controlling traffic. So I seem to be doing all of the work. There's no one else here. We also seem to be in an invisible air traffic control tower. Or we could be stood on top, possibly. We've had 0 mishaps, which is good. It's not doing too badly. We've got planes arriving. It's quite a small one there, isn't it? And we've got some weird sort of flat areas with nothing on over there. What's that? It's just someone put a pile of bricks there for some reason. Fair enough. Pile of bricks works. We've got some weird building there. Cool. You can take off. You can take off as well. That's set that one to go to runway 6. That's the only plane in the air, which is okay. When you move around, the mouse doesn't actually stay in the same position. It moves with it, which is a bit annoying, but it's not too bad. Let's make this one go a bit slower because these two are going to depart now. You want to go to 15. We can't go there. Let's go to 6. As all of our other arrivals are, which is good. Make sure everything's neat. This one can go now. That's 15, isn't it? So that one's taxiing back. It's turning around on the spot somehow. Ready to leave and head out somewhere. These are both climbing out. View says, good work ATC, way to knock out those flight delays. Can't read that very well, but never mind. You're arriving. You're not doing too badly currently. You can... Yeah, there you go. You can leave. Those two are still loading. Good. Let's set you to change runway to 6. You 6 as well, aren't you? 6. We've got to choose one of these. I reckon this one should go a bit slower. We'll let that one go a bit faster. You're ready. And you're also ready. Good. Not too stressed, which is good. We've got a very high score. I don't know whether that's high at all, really. There's some buttons that we don't know what do, but never mind. So those two planes are getting very close to each other. Is it dangerous at all? Oh, that one seems to have gone in front. Maybe we should tell this one to go a bit slower, this one to go a bit faster. Let's go very fast, that one. Go faster so you're not overtaken. You're taxiing there. Yeah, no, you have taxied. This is the successor of Airport Madness World Edition, which was the game before. I think is also available on Steam. If you want just a 2D version of this game, if you think the 3D is too stressful, which could be a possibility. Let's let all these leave. Let's take these off. You can... Are you in 6? Go a bit slower so we can go... Oh! Okay. The plane suddenly just exploded for some reason, and there's still a wing flying around. How on earth did that get up there? And it's disappeared. Strange. Okay. More planes are... Ah, you're ready. 15. I keep forgetting. Okay. Which one's going to get there first? Are you or you going to get there first? We're not doing too badly here. We're getting a bit more stressed, according to the stressometer. And we've got another plane over here. Oh, I didn't notice this. this one's suddenly just landed. Well, you can take off then, save some time. We didn't notice that. It must have come from over here. Possibly. Anyway, we've got lots of planes doing stuff. There's a plane there and a plane there. They're both arriving on the same runway, which might be difficult, but possibly not. You're going quite a straight line. And then you have our planes ready. Yes, you are. You can depart then. There's not much more happening. Right. You're arriving. There's no other planes ready for departure, so we'll just let all the planes arrive. You can go to runway 8, I reckon. Just because you can come around and there's no other planes sort of doing anything, so that might help. You can go there. Seems to be not going too badly. And you're arriving. Hello. This has got to be the world's scariest airport, apparently. People think it's the scariest airport. Never mind. Are you ready for departure? Yes, you can depart. You're arriving runway 8, that might be difficult. We can't slow you down anymore, really. So, you're going to runway 15. Maybe that's where the other one came from, that we weren't expecting. Let's let them all turn around. Well, that one depart, and then I'm sure another one will arrive, which is good. We want that to happen. You can arrive, and we go. It's all going well. You need to cross. Okay, we'll allow this one to arrive first, and then that one can cross across there. You can take off immediately, because there's no other planes waiting to get in. You're going to runway 15 again. I don't want you to go there. I want you to go to runway 16. Not 16, 6. Too many ones there. Aha, runway 6. They're all heading there now. That one can take off. Any other problems? I hope they don't crash. I hope it's smart enough to wait. Ah, yes, it's okay. Are you ready? Yes, you are. I'll send you to. Oh, no, runway. Okay, we've had a problem. I've told it to leave at runway 6. Never mind. Good for a change. You're ready for departure as well. Good, let's give you to the right one. Where's this plane going? Let's change that to go to runway 6, as all of our others are. Let's just let them, as a convoy, arrive in runway 6. Oh, we seem to end up on middle zoom. Never mind, let's zoom out a bit, so we can see what's happening in its full view. Plane going up there somewhere. Right. We've got some planes moving. Fun. These are still loading. Oh, all the little vehicles move and stuff, which is quite cool. That door hasn't actually met up with the other door though. It did move slightly though. If you look at that one, more bendy. That one's quite straight. Ah, these are both ready for departure now, which is good. Runway 15, please. Oh no, I did I? Oh, that could be dangerous. 2 planes right next to each other. I slow this? No, not really. Ooh, this could get dangerous. Oh dear. Oh, I managed to stop quite quickly. Oh no. Did that? No, that one didn't. Yeah, very big explosion over there. Very high stress. This could be a problem now. Another plane arriving. lots of things arriving now. Hold runway 15, apparently. You may cross that. I don't know what exactly you're crossing, I guess it might be that bit. Yes, we're getting lots of tweets. I think we shall leave that there. So that's a very quick and brief look at Airport Madness 3D. If you'd like to see more of any other games that I've done lately, do feel free to tell me in many ways. So thank you for watching this episode, and goodbye.